everybody. Today I will be taking out this little plant. It's called, let me see, it has no name. Oh my god, anybody can identify this little plant, let me know in the comments below. I will try to take a picture and find the name of the plant. This is what happens when you buy it in places like Home Depot or, you know, Rona. Sometimes you don't find tags on them. Okay, so I searched it up and it says Haworthia Radula. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I got. So I'm going to be taking out the pups. If they have roots, I will be taking them out. And I'll be repotting it because it's the roots are coming out. If it wasn't, I wouldn't be repotting it. Alright, so we'll put this one aside because I'm also repotting that one. Let me see if this one has a name too. It only says cactus. Anyways, so I just squeeze a little bit on the sides, a little, so that way the whole thing will come out nicely, and then just push the bottom a bit and kind of let those roots go straight and just pull out. And it came out nicely. Look at this. Look at all that. It's root bound. Oh my gosh, look at this. So root bound. Alright, so now we're going to try to take out, sorry guys, I don't know if the light is very poor. I'm trying my best. Okay, let me see what we can do here. I don't like to disturb the plant that much. Look at this, it's how they propagate, I guess. They put this cloth thing. Honestly, I don't like those things, but that's how they do it, I guess. So I just kind of open it a bit without like forcing extreme amount. So I just opened it. It's actually easy. Okay, so we'll pull that a bit like so without breaking or damaging the roots. There we go. Well, some came off, but I didn't break it. Oh, look at this. There's a little baby growing. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. A little baby growing. Now what I'm going to do is just kind of peel this thing out a little bit. I don't really like these little rags or cloths or whatever they use. I know they propagate that way, but I don't really like it. I just try to take it out a bit. Whatever stays there, stays there. Okay, so that's about it. I won't take too much. Now there's like, let me see, there's several here. So what I'm going to do is not disturb it. I'm going to plant it same way and just try to separate the other ones because I don't want to disturb that little cute baby growing there. So I'll put that one side and check the others. Oh, it's not that hard. I would imagine it would be so hard, but the soil is nice. Oh, I see what they did. They planted like several. There's another one with these cloth. They planted several in one pot. It's not bad. How much was this? $8. Not bad. Let's check this one. It has those clothy things. Oh, look at this. It has a baby. And this is another one. You can see the cloth there. So I guess they put 3 plants in one. Look at these little cute babies. They're growing there. So adorable. Alright, so I'll just kind of peel off this cloth a bit. A little tiny bit. I don't know, but I seem to have a good hand with aloe veras. I can tell you the one that I'm having difficulty on is the African violets. I don't know. I saw some on sale in Sobeys. They were for $2. I'm going to try my luck again and see if I can do it. I won't disturb this one. I'm going to pot it up this with the little babies. Alright, so what I'm going to do is put them in 3 separate pots. This one has 1, 2, 3 babies, and I'm gonna let it grow in a separate pot. Let the babies grow bigger, and once they're bigger, then I'll separate them. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do for that. And I'm gonna use some of the soil, mix it up with the cactus soil, because it's still good. For it to be good as well, you have to put some good fertilizer. Make your own. So all depends on how you put your fertilizer for your soil to be good, because it's the soil the point for your plant to be happy. So I put some soil here, and now I'm going to start planting. Beautiful plants. Alright, so I'm just going to put her in there like so, and start pouring some of the soil that she had there, and just pour it like so all around it, and just make sure it's the way you want it in the middle. Now she has more space for her to keep on getting more pups. And with a little brush, just brush out the dust that went between the leaves. That's what I do. Okay, so just keep on filling it round and round and round, and then just kind of press in there, cover all those roots. And that's all to it, my friends. Simple as that. Very easy to separate these plants. So it actually cost me how much? It was $8, 2 for 6, a little bit more than $2 for each, and I still have extra babies, which is not a bad buy, right? Okay, so that's all to it. A very short video. I hope you liked it, and don't be afraid to grow your own little aloes or Haworthias, because these are Haworthia. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Share the video, and hope to see you again on the next video. And follow me in my social media, and also the group, so we can share our love and our passion with plants. All right, my friends, thank you for watching. Happy planting. Bye.